guys. Jeter, look at the camera. Jeter, look. Jeter. Sweetheart, show him your beautiful face. No? Okay. All right. We are feeding Jeter a banana right now. Check this out. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. Jeter loves bananas. Good boy, Jeet. Sweet. Okay, last little bit here. Nice. Last little bit. Good boy. Good boy. And there you have it, folks. The banana eating dog, right? Okay. Next video. What are we going to eat next, Jeet? What are we eating next? What are we eating next? I'm thinking maybe cucumber, date, something like that. Watermelon. Nah, I don't feel like slicing watermelon today. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.